Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today's look is this wolf look. So if you want to see how I got this look, keep watching it and I hope you enjoyed this video. So I start out by painting my entire face white with a MEHRON Makeup body paint, and then I'm taking a black eye pencil. This one is from NYX, and I'm just doing some messy wing liner with that, and I'm also bringing that underneath my eye as well. This is just going to be a base for some black eyeshadow that I'm putting on top of that, so I'm just blending it out with that black shadow, bringing it into my inner corners of my eyes. Now I'm taking some black paint and I am painting on a nose, and I'm also drawing a line coming down from my nose to my mouth and making my mouth a little bit longer with some lines coming out the sides, and also filling in my top and a little bit of my bottom lip with the black paint. Then I'm taking some brown eyeshadow and doing little paint streaks around my face in random places. I'm just doing little pink streaks so it looks like fur later on. Then I'm doing the same thing using black body paint. I'm focusing the black around the edges of my face and like the darkest areas of my face, so like along the nose, and then my cheekbone area is where it's going to be the darkest. And then I'm going to be going in with some white body paint, and I'm going to be focusing the white in the center of my face, so in the middle of the nose and on the center of the forehead and a little underneath the eyes. Still doing the little paint streaks. Then I'm taking some black again, and I am putting some more black paint streaks on my eyebrow area. And then I'm going to be doing the same thing to my neck, so starting with a white base and then going in with black and brown paint streaks on the edges, and then taking white and focusing that on the center area. Then I go back and deepen up the contour area on my cheekbones and highlight underneath my bottom lip with some white paint. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this look. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any upcoming Halloween looks, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!